Let's have a quick look at interpretation then. That could come up in either section A or section B, so could come up in either any part of the exam, but section B will always have some form of interpretation. And the best advice I can give you is do not try and rote learn. If this happens, then that happens. If this happens, then that happens. It doesn't work that way. Just apply common sense to the scenario. So, how do we go about answering a question on interpretation? First thing, we need to have our technical knowledge, and by that I mean our IFRSs, our principles from the conceptual framework, any knowledge we have about non-financial indicators, key performance indicators, that sort of thing. And we're looking, right, well, what assumptions have they made when doing this? And think about who's doing it. Do they have any bias at all? And then what would the impact be on the stakeholders? So you're thinking of those three questions. Now, the impact on the stakeholders, what you're thinking of, will it be good, will it be bad? What action might that stakeholder take? And if he does take that action, what might then others do? And then finally, well, what will be the effect on the company as a whole?